Welcome to the Car Truth today. We're exploring the stunning and futuristic 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome Truck, a bold new direction from the German automaker that merges its world-class engineering with five-star living. It's elegant, intelligent, and powerful, designed for those who expect luxury on every road they travel. Asterisk. The exterior of the 2026 BMW Motorhome Truck immediately sets itself apart. Sleek and aerodynamic lines flow from front to back, highlighted by a signature kidney grille redesigned for the motorhome's larger frame. Full-length LED light bars, active aero flaps, and a chrome-trimmed lower body give it the signature BMW performance look, riding on 24-inch turbine-style wheels and a self-leveling air suspension. This truck glides as effortlessly through mountain passes as it does through city streets. Asterisk on top. Flush-mounted solar panels power most of the smart systems inside, while a panoramic glass sunroof runs the length of the vehicle, creating a bright and open atmosphere inside. The automatic side entry steps deploy as you approach, greeting you with soft LED underglow and the familiar BMW welcome lighting sequence. Asterisk, step inside, and you enter a sanctuary of luxury and technology. The interior features cream leather upholstery, fine wood accents, and a floating dashboard equipped with BMW's latest iDrive system. A retractable OLED display doubles as a home theater and a digital workspace. The main living space features a pair of reclining lounge chairs, a convertible L-shaped sofa, and voice-activated ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Asterisk, the kitchen is as refined as it is functional. You get a flush induction cooktop, smart oven, dual temperature, beverage cooler, and a discrete drawer refrigerator. The countertops are crafted from recycled glass composite, and all appliances are finished in brushed aluminum, blending form and function seamlessly. Asterisk, moving to the rear, the bedroom is both minimalist and serene. A king-size floating bed with an adaptive mattress system is framed by ambient backlighting and panoramic side windows. Built-in charging ports, personalized climate controls, and a 40-inch hidden TV make it perfect for rest and relaxation. The walls are sound insulated, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep wherever you are. Asterisk, the bathroom features a walk-in glass shower with rainfall and mist options, a heated tile floor, and a smart vanity with touch controls. There's also a washer-dryer unit concealed behind a panel near the entryway. Asterisk, powering this elegant machine is a hybrid inline-six engine with e-boost technology, producing over 700 horsepower while maintaining excellent efficiency. Advanced driver assist features include lane centering, smart parking assist, and predictive cruise control for long journeys. Asterisk, the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome Truck isn't just about travel, it's about lifestyle. It's the ultimate expression of mobile luxury, where precision engineering meets modern comfort. Asterisk, for more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Car Truth.